Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Plaid connection for accounting tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable your Plaid connection for accounting tools, start by logging into your accounting software account. Navigate to the settings or integrations section of your account. Look for the option related to connected applications or financial connections. Find the Plaid integration in the list of connected services. Once located, click on the Plaid connection to access more options. You should see an option to disconnect or disable the Plaid connection. Click on the Disconnect or Disable button. A confirmation confirm your decision to disable the connection. After confirmation, you should see a notification that the connection has been successfully disabled. Check your account settings to ensure the Plaid connection no longer appears in the list of active connections. If necessary, refresh your account page to see the changes. Your accounting tools will now operate without the Plaid integration. For any further adjustments, revisit the settings menu as needed. This process ensures that your financial data is no longer shared through Plaid. If you experience any issues, consider reaching out to your accounting tools customer support for assistance. Follow up by reviewing your financial connections periodically to maintain control over your data sharing preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.